Ever moved in with someone only to find out your beloved pet wasn't allowed? Now that's like setting up shop without checking zoning laws. Suddenly, your perfect spot isn't so perfect. Hey wise investors, welcome back to ECMP Studios and Amit Grover. And today we're diving into the often overlooked but critical topic of zoning and regulatory compliance. Just like personal and rental agreements have rules, so do locations for your businesses. And not adhering to them can be costly. Zoning laws dictate what type of business activities can occur in certain areas. Ignoring these can lead not only to fines, but also to a forced relocation of your business. Imagine the cost and disruption that can cause. Here's how to stay compliant. Number 1. Understand local zoning laws. Before you commit to a location, ensure your type of business is allowed there. Check with local planning agencies. Number 2. Seek permits and licenses. Now, some areas require specific permits or licenses. Make sure you have all the necessary approvals before you open your doors. Number 3. Plan for changes. Zoning laws can change. Keep a pulse on potential developments to avoid future issues. Now, why does this matter to you? Compliance isn't just about following rules. It's about ensuring your business operates without any legal interruptions. It's the groundwork that supports your business's location stability. Now, how would staying compliant give you a peace of mind and contribute to a smoother business operation? Let's talk. Next episode, we will explore the consequences of miscalculating total real estate costs. It's not just about the upfront price, it's about understanding all the costs involved in acquiring and maintaining your property. But for now, reflect on this. Are you fully aware of the legal requirements for your business's location? Or are you risking a costly oversight? Drop a comment below if you have ever encountered any of these zoning surprises, or if you even have tips on navigating through these regulatory compliances. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more valuable insights from ECMP Studios. For personalized assistance, or if you have any specific questions about zoning or compliance, we are here to help you build a legally sound and successful real estate foundation. And remember, let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay